Grinding isn't always just teething or anxiety. There can be many hidden causes to your child's teeth grinding. Stress is one cause, but many children grind their teeth due to blocked airways like enlarged tonsils or adenoids. When kids can't breathe well through their nose, their body compensates, and teeth grinding can be a sign of sleep-disordered breathing. To help your child, we assess their bite, breathing pattern, and even tonsils and adenoids, and find the solution to their problem.